Good afternoon. My name is Vicky Broadley. I'm here to represent Nikalyte, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about the company. I'm just going to show a few slides so that you can see what we're all about. I'm a member of a small team which makes up the Nikalyte company. Alistair, you've already heard from this morning about nano surfaces, and Dave and Rao are our designer and R&D lead in the team. Nikalyte was founded only a couple of years ago to deliver nanoparticle technology to the research community, but actually we've all worked together in the past and have over 50 years combined experience in nanotechnology and vacuum deposition. So the equipment and the techniques that we're selling, we've been working on for many, many years and have a lot of expertise and knowledge. We're based in just outside Oxford in the Innovation Centre. So we have a range of equipment, and as I've already mentioned, our key expertise is in the deposition of and generation of nanoparticles in vacuum. And in fact, we use a technique called gas-terminated deposition, which is based on sputtering, but uses a very clever technique where the sputter vapor is condensed under high pressure to form nanoparticles. Now, these nanoparticles formed in vacuum are ultra pure, hydrocarbon free, and a very, very highly reactive surface. They're also monodisperse and crystalline, so they have a huge range of applications, ranging from across all sectors. So I'll tell you a little bit about the equipment in turn. So the NL50 is a very nice and a novel piece of kit, which was it's very new to market, but nothing quite like it exists. It's a benchtop system which is simple to use, and in this system we've combined many years of working in nanoparticles to provide a system which is accessible to anyone who either doesn't have vacuum experience or has never worked in nanoparticles before. We've simplified the process, and we've automated all the vacuum control. The other advantage of the system is that it's got a very fast cycle time because of the small volume inside. The pump down times are very, very quick. So the turnaround on samples is fantastic, 30 minutes or less. So you can really generate a lot of nanoparticle coatings in a very short space of time. The USP of the system also is that it's easy to use and can be suitable for researchers and students alike. So we see this working very well in teaching labs. I've included some typical nanoparticle images, so you can see that we can generate nanoparticles from most metals and certainly most conducting materials. So there's platinum, gold, and silver there on screen, and the sizes range from 2 to 20 nanometers. And in fact, we've been involved in projects in the last year with the NL50 on a range of different applications, one of which being SIRS, and I've included an example of a SIRS spectrum for caffeine, showing the sensitivity of the substrate with the gold nanoparticle surface. And one of the things we're proud of this system is our inclusion of a flip-top lid for changing the material. This makes it very quick and easy to change materials, and you don't have to take out the sputter source when you want to change a target, which has been the bane of many people's lives who've been working in thin film deposition on standard vacuum systems. The other main project in our portfolio is the NL-UHV, which is a nanoparticle source which can be added to any UHV system. It also has a couple of really nice optional extras, which are the NL-QMS, which is an inline mass filter, which allows the user to both measure the nanoparticle spectrum, as this graph for copper shows, or filter the size. And we did that for gold nanoparticles. You can see here a TEM spectrum showing gold nanoparticles with very uniform size, which were generated using the QMS. And finally, the three-headed source, the DX3, is a perfect tool for generating alloys. You can independently control the power to each material and generate alloys with a wide range of combinations, or in fact just deposit nanoparticles of different materials independently. So that's what we have on offer. We also offer a coating service, and we have a wealth of expertise for applications. So if you're interested in nanoparticles and nano surfaces, then please do come and talk to us. So So thanks very much for your time.